Hey YouTube! So in today's video, I will be showing you how I made this beautiful thing, taking you through my step-by-step process. And this rug was based off of a digital drawing I did in Procreate that is here. I'll post here. So yeah, this was a very fun project. This was my very first punch needle rug. It was completely done by hand. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, see ya. For my frame, I just took an 11 by 17 canvas and took the canvas part off. It's a very quick and affordable way if you don't have access to the tools and things to build an actual frame. And for transferring my artwork, I used my Polaroid projector. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like after I drew it out. I drew it on flipped because once you start sewing this part, it's going to show up right on the front part. And I just put numbers on the different colors so I know like that all the ones are the same color, all the twos are the same color. But I'm excited to see how this is going to turn out. So I'm about to go get my punch needle and my yarn and start. So I just went ahead and like finished the black part. So this is the front part, and all of these strings that are hanging will be cut off. And you can see like the texture up close. This is the back. how it looks after it's dry. As you see, some of the strings came up, and that's because of this thing, like these grooves like on the side. When I was like applying it, it was like pulling the yarn out. So if you get something to put it on, just make sure that it doesn't have any of those things on it. Just get like ones that's like flat all the way around. But yeah, this is how it looked. I let it sit for a couple days, and you know, it's all dry. And the backing that I'm going to be using is like this felt. It's like a neon yellowish kind of felt. It was on sale at Hobby Lobby. Okay guys, as you see, I just took it off the canvas and cut around it. So I left probably about a ½ inch, and this is going to be the part that I'm going to whip stitch. Now I'm going to spray on the adhesive and apply this. I just put the spray adhesive on the back, and so this is the back and this is the front. A quick tip is, so the way I did it was I put the rug on top of the felt and I cut both pieces out, and then I sprayed the back of both pieces and then put them together. But the spray adhesive is really sticky, and it was kind of hard to get it on there as even as it was. So my suggestion for those designers out there would be to do it kind of like how you would mount something onto like a foam board or something. So I would just spray the back of your rug and then put it on top of the fabric and then cut it out that way, because then you have a little bit more control over how you position it. I mean, it wasn't terrible, but whenever I positioned it this way, the bottom part would stick, and so yeah, I think the other way would just be a little bit more easier. So I went through and just cleaned up the edges, as you see. So now I'm going to start sewing. So a whip stitch is literally just going in, out, over, in, out, over, and that's it. And I hope I'm saying that's the right stitch. If I'm wrong, then please correct me in the comments. But I think it's called a whip stitch. Guys, so something I'm noticing is that because this is so dull, it's hard for me to go through both this and the felt. So I'm gonna go see if I have a pointier needle. Hey guys, so I found this needle. It has kind of like a pointy edge and like a wide opening. So this needle was in a pack of upholstery needles. In that pack it had the curved needle, which probably will work really well with this, but I can't find mine at the moment. And then it had this one. So I've just been doing my whip stitch. When you get to the end of your thread, I usually just loop it like a couple of times, and then I cut it, and then I re-thread the needle, and then I continue. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue and show you the results when I'm done. Hey guys, so that was the end of my video, and this is how the rug came out. It came out really cool. So I will actually be selling this on my shop. My shop is not going to be launching until next month, but you can sign up to my email list, and I'll put that link below, so you'll be able to get notifications when the site actually goes live. So I have some more punch needle projects coming in the works, and yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, and see you soon. Bye.